Hey folks, how you doing? How you doing? You're probably wondering, why are all these seeds out here? Well, let's take a look. 2024, we got some seed from some pie pumpkin, and now I'm going to be growing them next. That's one. Hot banana peppers. Yeah. My wife loves to make her banana pepper rings. Okay? Green peppers. Ooh, doggy, you gotta love them green peppers. You gotta love them. Right here, red bell pepper. Yep, gotta have them, man. Especially if you love a stuffed bell pepper that has venison. Oh, 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 oh. Amish paste tomatoes. Yeah, boys. Gotta have that, you know. Can't have no sauce for your stuffed bell peppers if you don't grow your tomatoes. That's right. And then, of course, for a little bit of extra flavoring, mammoth basil. Gotta get that going. And then something that we love because we love eating zucchini boats. Yes. Here we got the butternut Sasquatch. 4.5 times bigger. Yeah, boys. Then, of course, gotta have the spaghetti squash. Come on, man. For making breads and everything else. Oh, come on, man. This is banging. This is banging. Then over here, the last one, but not the least, Burpee's Butterbush. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna get them going. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Down that road we're growing. Yeah, boy.